Learn Kiswahili. Where are you? Uko wapi? I am at home. Niko nyumbani. I am at school. Niko shuleni. We are at the hospital. Tuko hospitalini. I am in America. Niko America. I am not at home. Siko nyumbani. What are you doing? Unafanya nini? I am cooking. Ninapika. I am traveling. Ninasafiri. I am cleaning the house. Ninasafisha nyumba. Please go to YouTube, search Mwalimu